This is a 2014 BMW 328i. This car has been in an accident and the insurance company didn't want to pay the amount of money required to fix it. So they sold it through an auction with a rebuilt title. It actually gets better, or I would say worse. That same night, I ended up selling the car to my sister-in-law. Long story short, she test drove the car, she loved it, she felt so excited about it, and yeah, I said, sure, why not? You can take it, it's yours now. So we ended up organizing how to ship the car from South Florida to Phoenix, Arizona, which is the place she's moving actually as we speak. And we ended up getting a quote from Hialeah company, which gave us a really good number, and we said, let's do it, let's go with them. The car ended up arriving 4 days after we shipped. Late at night, it was around 10 p.m. local time there in Arizona, which is around 1 a.m. in the morning here. And my sister-in-law gave me a call and said, hey, the car is working bad. I mean, it's making weird noises. I don't even know what happened, but this is not what I drove. I couldn't even understand what could have happened. So I asked her if she could send us some videos. And yeah, that noise is definitely not nice. There's something that was not okay with the car. So the following morning, she took the car to a local BMW mechanic, and they realized that, yeah, it was a clip that holds the e-brake line. This e-brake line has a plastic clip. Yeah, great engineering, German guys. And of course, it wears, it goes bad, it cracks, and it makes a weird noise. That line, like, so that's the noise. But we discovered that was even a bigger problem. There was a rear control arm destroyed, which at this point we don't even know how that happened. But yeah, $700 after, the car is working fine, it's working beautiful, perfect, and I think my sister-in-law is starting to like it again. So yeah, I hope. Family business. Thanks for watching.